How to hide apps on your Android phone. This tutorial shows you how to make any app disappear from both your home screen and app drawer without deleting it. First, go to your home screen on your Android device. After that, pinch in on the screen with 2 fingers or long press on any empty space on the home screen. From there, a menu will appear at the bottom of the screen with several options. At this point, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner to open your home screen settings. In the next step, scroll down through the settings until you find the Hide Apps on Home and App Screen option. Following this, tap on it to open the app selection screen. Once done, you'll see a full list of all the apps installed on your device. From here, tap on the apps you want to hide to select them. At this stage, you can select as many apps as you want to hide in one go. After this, tap Apply or Done to confirm your selection. Finally, go back to your home screen and app drawer to confirm that the selected apps are no longer visible. Whenever you want to unhide them, simply follow the same steps and deselect the apps you previously hid. And that's it. If this Android tip helped you keep your apps out of sight, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.